Hi, this is Christine with Officetrax. Today I'm going to walk you through on how to create a proposal. So to create a proposal, you will first go into your work order that you are needing to create the proposal for. And once you are in here, the dispatch that you are going to be creating the proposal for does need to be in a active status, so it cannot be pending acceptance, or if it is declined or anything, it needs to be in an active dispatch status. So to create the proposal, you will click on the Create Proposal link here within the dispatch area, or you can go up to the top and click on Create, and you can click on Create Provider Proposal. So to do the proposal, you'll go into that area. And then once you are in the proposal, it will automatically fill in information at the top with information about the work order, as well as about the location, as well as the provider. You will have sections here, incurred cost breakdown as well as proposal breakdown. So the difference between the two, as incurred is anything that has already been completed at the location prior to submitting the proposal, and proposal breakdown is anything that still needs to be completed at the location. So to do this, to enter in items, you will see here there is an add another item in both sections. There will automatically be a default item added into the proposal breakdown, but you can add in other items into here. So here I'm going to click on add another item under incurred costs, and my line item does come up. Under the type, you'll be given different options such as general, discount, parts and materials, labor, travel costs, and inventory item. So you can select which is appropriate. With the inventory item, if you are using the inventory system within Officetrax, you can select the inventory item to select something from your inventory. So with this, you can choose, let's say, labor. And here next to labor, you will be given different labor types. So you can select which one is the appropriate. And then you can enter in the date that it was completed on, the quantity of hours, and your unit price. So here I'll enter in 2 at $35. If there is a rates filled in for the provider, it will automatically carry over onto the proposal. If the amounts do fill in, you can decrease that amount if needed. You would not be able to increase. If it is showing at a 0, you'll be able to enter in any unit price as needed. Okay, here we have the markup. If you do need to add in a markup percentage, you can do that, as well as we have the different options for taxes. If taxes are automatically calculated, you can indicate if this item is not taxed or just taxed. Okay, with that, if you are adding in a discount line item, okay, you would just enter the item information in. Okay, and with the taxes, you would either apply that if it is going to be before taxes or after taxes. So you do want to make sure that you do select the appropriate one. Okay, so with that, with all of the line items, you will have a description field where you can enter in a detailed description of exactly what that item is for. You will see here we do have the 3 dots beside each one. You can drag and drop to move the line items around if needed. Okay, with that also you do have an X off to the right, and you can click on the X to remove that line item if needed. Okay. With that also, further down here, we do have the message, memo, and disclaimer. So you can set default messages in here within the settings area if needed. The memo field is where you'd put in a description of exactly what this proposal is for. And here you will see that the taxes are automatically calculating at 5%, okay, if needed. All right. With that here, you do have two save options. You have save draft and save in process. Save draft will allow you to come back to this at another time if needed, and save in process will allow you to submit this proposal. With this as well, up at the top, we do have a copy line items. So if a proposal has already been approved, but you are making another proposal, you can click on copy line items and you can copy those items from that proposal, as well as you can also copy the time and material items if they are filled in on the work order. Once you do submit the proposal, it will go for review. And you will see here that it is submitting the proposal and it has been sent into a approval process. If you do have any questions about submitting proposals, please contact Officetrax support at 877-329-3832 at extension 250.